Today is finally the day where I am starting to pack for going back to school. And if you guys didn't know, I'm going back to U of A for grad school. So I leave in just 3 days and have not started packing. I feel like the past couple years I started packing a week in advance, and I'm like, it's already 3 days. I'm like, need to start like packing up my life here and getting ready to go back soon. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'll probably vlog the next couple days as I get everything in order to get ready to go back. But yeah, I literally bought everything pretty much yesterday and got stuff so last minute, and like most of it's not even gonna come in until after I move in. So it's like craziness right now because I was just so last minute with getting things for my house and stuff. I don't know why, but it's just been a lot where me not being prepared. So here we are now. But the plan is today to get most of my stuff here into bins or like into a suitcase and into the trash bags with hangers. Since for the next like couple days I'm not going to be wearing like pretty much most of this stuff anyway, so I want to get like most of my clothes packed up and shoes because yeah, I don't really have plans for the next couple days, so I might as well get that stuff all now. And I like packing earlier than later because I feel like as days go on you end up realizing more things that you need or things that you forgot, and you're like, oh yeah, I need to pack that. That always happens to me, so I don't like packing very last minute. So at least I'm giving myself a couple days to remember things that I do need to bring, because I think last year, the year before, I totally forgot to bring pillows because from the pillows that I had at school I bring here and then totally forgot to bring them. So like things like that I need to like remember. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have some bins, these ones that I can fit things in, and then I also have my couple suitcases that I can put things in as well. Literally my suitcase is still here from Hawaii. I have not unpacked yet, so need to put some things away from in there as well. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. All right guys, so I always have to buy new hangers every year because as the year continues on, I just continue to accumulate a lot more clothing and never have like enough hangers. Even if I like buy so many hangers before, I always end up needing more. So I bought more hangers this year, and I got these like pink ones with rose gold. And honestly, in person, they're a lot more salmon than I would have liked, but still cute. So what I'm gonna do is just get most of my clothes that are on these hangers onto these ones, just so in my closet it just looks a lot more put together with all of the same hanger in there. I don't know, I just like things to be really nice on the eye, so at least I'm gonna have a lot of these ones for extra if I need any more. But for the most part, I want like majority of my hangers to be those, because even last year I had a few. Like I bought new white ones, like of the white velvet hangers. I was like, okay, I'll switch those out with the other ones later, and I just never got around to it. So I feel like if I want to get it done, it would have to be now. So I'm gonna do that now before I do that. And just saying, these hangers are literally the best hangers. I cannot stand the plastic ones. My clothes fall off of them all the time, and these actually keep your clothes in place because the velvet, it's like helps them prevent them from slipping off, and this little indent helps them stay on as well. And they're super thin, so they help you save a lot of room as well. So these are just like legit my favorite hangers ever. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, put all those clothes on here. So I just finished packing all of the stuff up. So these are the remaining hangers. I'm probably gonna take all the white ones and a few black ones because I swear like every year I always need more hangers. And there's still a few things that I have not packed, like for example like a sweater that is over here, some laundry I need to fold, and stuff that's still in my suitcase. So I'm for sure gonna need more hangers anyway. And then this is like stuff that I'm not bringing because it's stuff that I don't really wear that often, so I don't want it to take up any room. And this stuff I probably want to sell or give away soon anyways. But yeah, so I'll show you guys what I ended up doing. So these are all of the bags stacked with all the clothes that I put in. So 5 bags of clothes, and I will just put this all up in my hanger. I'll put this all up and hang it in my closet. Right now I have a huge like check-in suitcase. I'm gonna put the rest of my clothes in, like clothes that I'm gonna put in drawers, which I have not gotten a dresser yet. have had, that's a whole other issue. I've not had much success on like OfferUp or like Facebook Marketplace with finding a dresser for cheap. So yeah, don't know where that stuff's gonna go yet, but I'm gonna put all the stuff that would be in a dresser or like in drawers in the suitcase, like bottoms and swimsuits and undergarments, all that type of stuff. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right guys, so this is what the suitcase is looking like. Pretty much the rest of all of my clothes, like pajamas, loungewear, bottoms, skirts, whatever, the rest of my tops. So the only thing that I haven't put in yet that needs to go in, which will hopefully fit, is just like undergarments and stuff. So hopefully I can do that. I'm gonna put it all like in here, in these pockets, and yeah, hopefully I'll be good to go. But once this is done, that's pretty much the rest of like the main bulk of all of my clothes, and that'll all be done. Like the rest of the stuff that I'll wear within a couple days and need to wash and stuff. So that'll pretty much be most of the things. All right, so I just finished with the rest of my clothes and that was a success. So everything was able to fit in this suitcase. And the last thing on my list to tackle today is the shoes. So I have my carry-on suitcase, and in that suitcase I want to pack like all my shoes. So I'm gonna do that today, and then that'll be like the rest of what I do today. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, so I just put like most of my shoes in the suitcase. So that's what it's looking like right now, and I still have about like 6 pairs of shoes to put in. My friend borrowed some shoes, so she's gonna drop those off tomorrow. And then I have some boots and heels. I want to bring my cowboy boots to school this year, still have more space and room. For the most part, all my shoes are packed, and that's where I'm going to end off for today. So tomorrow we will continue, and I will continue packing, but glad I got most of the clothing portion packed away. I feel like that's the main bulk of things, especially I feel like it'll be a lot easier since I got most of my things shipped over to my house in Arizona. So it shouldn't be too bad, but at least that's all done. All right guys, so today is now day 2 of packing, and right now before I started packing again, I like watched my video from last year that I made and realized I packed way less of clothes that were gonna be hung up than I'm doing now, and I'm kind of stressed about that. I hope it's not too much. But good news, yesterday we ended up buying a dresser from OfferUp and picking it up today. And then we also got a mirror from IKEA. So things are coming together, and then today I did some more online shopping for things for my room. So everything's slowly coming together. So right now I'm actually gonna make some use of these bins that are here. So I actually wanna fill these bins. I'm struggling though, trying to figure out like what next to pack. I just like, my room is just such a mess right now of like so many things, and I'm like, I can't think straight of what I need to pack. So hopefully I can like streamline that today, especially since most of the clothes are packed anyways. But let's go see what we gotta do. I also have these boxes that I can put things in, and I'm bringing this Alex drawer from IKEA, and it's full of like makeup and stuff, but like I just got reminded, like this is all stuff that I brought back with me when I moved in. That stuff I'm gonna need, like the lamp, some decor. This I want to sell, like a trash can. So like these things I need to make sure I like get packed, so I'm gonna do that right now. All right, so I just packed away this bin. I still have some room in here, so I have to figure out what else I can pack in there, but it's stuff that are like kind of like miscellaneous, like just drawer organizers that I used last year, some detergent, a hammer, and other organizing closet stuff. So that is pretty full. All right, so next I think I'm gonna do like desk stuff and miscellaneous things, so kind of like the stuff that's all on here. And then I have some other desk stuff, which I just noticed, like I had this pink stapler and tape dispenser, and I realized like from the sun it got like faded and kind of like discolored, which kind of sucks, but still cute, so I'm gonna bring it. And then I want to clean this, but it's a cute little coaster that says I can't adult today, and just like other random things. But up here I have some random things like candles, and put my jewelry stand away and other products and bags and books. So I think that's my next thing on my list to do, so let's pack that away. Okay, right now I ended up putting like all of the candles and deodorants and lotions in here just so I can keep track of it rather in this bin, because I felt like if I put the candles in here I'd forget about them and they end up melting in the back of the truck. So I felt like if I put it in this like cardboard box, I'd have a safer bet of making sure that I can keep it in the car with me. So I need to tape this up, and then that one's good to go. All right, guys, I'm just like still so overwhelmed with all of like the little things, like all the stuff that I need to take out in the IKEA drawers and all this like random stuff on my bed that I'm like, ooh, it's a lot. And I have like so many perfumes. So I think I'm just gonna skip ahead to the like bedding because it's like a big bulk of things and like that'll be done. So I'm gonna pack away this mattress protector, some jersey sheets, and then I got also a comforter in the mail today, so I need to get that too. Right, so here's my comforter set, and then that fits perfectly. And then I just got throw pillows and my throw blanket are being delivered, so I just like can't forget my like actual pillows, so that's good. All right, so I think this is gonna be like the main bulk of things I do today. So I just put the rest of like the miscellaneous things on here besides accessories, so I'll do that later. But put like towels and some toiletries, and have been cleaning out these drawers. So right now I want to clear out my makeup and put that all in bags and put away the makeup that I'm not going to need for the next couple days. Alright guys, so I filled this bin with all of my makeup stuff that was in the Alex drawers. So it has all the organizers, the makeup, and then in this makeup bag it has all the rest of the things. So that's that. Glad I was able to empty all these drawers. I think that's where I'm going to stop today because it's been a lot. I feel like there's just like so much and I keep taking breaks because I'm like, I don't even know what I need to pack. So right now I just like made a list of all the things that came to my head that I'm like, okay, I need to make sure I pack this. That way tomorrow I can just check it off on a list, because if I like am just packing and don't have a list, I'm like, I have no idea. But if I write a list of everything I need to pack, it's a lot easier for me to check things off. So I wish I went into this doing that initially and not waste time. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop today, and then tomorrow will be the last day of packing. Obviously we'll have to get everything done, and then I will also be loading up the car tomorrow, so that way there's like room since my parents are picking up the dresser today. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. All right guys, so today is the third day of my packing vlog, and I actually move tomorrow, so one more day before I go back. So everything has to get done today. So what I have to do right now though is start loading my car, because we're actually going to be towing my car to Arizona. So my dad wants me, before he puts it on the trailer, to fit all the stuff that we can in there, so that way we have more room, since we don't have much space in the bed of the truck since we got the dresser. So right now I need to do that, but also before I do that, I have in the trunk of my car like tons of children's books that I got from my elementary school that I student taught at, that I need to get out of my trunk because it's been in there since then. So I need to remove that and start loading my car of all that stuff. And once I do that, continue packing, which absolutely stuff needs to get done today. So we're gonna do that right now. It's 2 o'clock, barely starting, since I wasn't like here this morning. So yeah, gonna get that done now. All right guys, clothes are nice and packed away. I'm actually surprised everything fit here, because I think we just didn't pack correctly last time when we moved out, because we had clothes in the trunk and clothes in the back seat, but luckily everything fits, and that is good. All right guys, so I ended up doing a lot that I didn't film. So I filled a lot of stuff into my car, so I did that, and then I removed my mattress topper off of my bed here at home so I can pack that away, because that's what I'm gonna use at school. And then right now I just got another bin, and well, I did another bin and I filled like my desk mirror, the rest of the hangers. Let me just show you actually. Okay, and here I put the hangers, like some wall decor, like the letter board, the hamper, and a blanket. There's something else under there that I can't remember, but that one's done. I need to like get some tape to close it because it barely will shut, but we're getting there. So this, I just need to put, I want to put the rest of my purses in here. I have a lot of purses I need to pack. And then the main bulk of things is shoes, and the rest will be like miscellaneous things. So right now I'm going to pack all the purses in this bin, and then after continue filling my car with the rest of the stuff, and then do all the last minute things that need to be done. And then I should be pretty good to go. So getting there. All right guys, so a couple hours have passed and we ended up like loading everything up in the car. So everything fits, which is really good. And everything is pretty much packed, which is such relief. And the only thing that we're gonna do is just like pack last minute things like my skincare and such, like chargers, things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this pack with me and vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.